Good morning everyone, welcome to Big OGGIE World. Welcome to Big O's kitchen today. It's early morning. I'm saying good morning to you because, well, quite frankly it is when I'm filming this. I've been out for my morning walk, done my 12,000 steps, I drank a pint of water, had a shower, and now I'm going to quickly put together a relatively cheap and filling and warming evening meal. I've got a busy day today. I've got a lot of editing to do for Big OGGIE Golf, so I can't really mess around with doing much dinner for later. So I'm going to use the slow cooker. We're going to do a old-fashioned style corned beef hash. Potatoes, tin of corned beef, throw some carrots in, onion, put it all in the slow cooker. Let me prep this up and I'll get back and show you what to do. Okay, so take me a few minutes to get all the veg prepped. There isn't that much veg because this is a hash after all. The meat we cut into cubes, like little bite-sized cubes, but that'll all melt down as you know with a hash. Potatoes are in 1 to 2 centimetre pieces, carrots about 1 centimetre, and the onion roughly chopped. Okay, so I'm going to put a list of ingredients down below, but basically it's 1 tin of corned beef. Potatoes, again, potato to carrot ratio is entirely up to you. We've gone for about 4 potatoes. These are floury potatoes. Normally you get King Edwards if you can get them, but quite frankly most potatoes will work as long as they're kind of a floury or an all-rounder. The carrots, we've used 4 carrots because, well, it depends what size they were. We haven't peeled our potatoes because I quite like the idea of the skin. They're good for you. The skins are much better for you anyway than the rest of the potato. Lots of nutrients and things in them, but also it holds the potato together a little bit better. The carrots I did peel because, well, they were wonky carrots from a wonky veg bag. Why not? I'm going to stick them in a stew or a hash like this. And the skins were a little bit old, so I took those skins off. Apart from that, we're ready to go. So we'll set our slow cooker to low. This whole thing will go on low for me for about 8 hours, which, as it's 10 o'clock in the morning now, 6 o'clock for our dinner would be perfect. 6 to 8 hours on low. If you want it on high, 5 hours, okay? But obviously check it to see if your veg and everything is cooked to your liking, obviously. So we're going to take the lid off. This is literally a build. Into this we're going to put our potatoes. This is our small slow cooker that we've got at the moment, but obviously if you've got a larger slow cooker you'll have to adjust some of the liquid measurements, I guess. There's our carrots, our onion, and our tin of corned beef. Now, I'm going to give all that a bit of a mix with my hands because you want it to all be mixed up. The slow cooker is on low at the moment, so it's not exactly a problem. There we go. Now, we're going to need a little bit of liquid in this. Let me just wipe my hands a second. Liquid wise, we have got a beef stock cube. We're using Knorr because we quite like those, but you can use Oxa or whatever it is, other brands available. 1 stock cube, 250 to 300 mils of liquid, of water, okay? Pour all that in. Remember, slow cooker doesn't really lose liquid, so you don't need loads and loads of liquid. You're not like you're having to boil loads of veg, okay? I'll put a little bit more in that in a minute just to get rid of the rest of that. Now, for some flavouring, we're going to use Worcestershire sauce, about 3 tablespoons. You want it a little bit piquancy, there's a good word for you today. Some people I've seen have used a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of spice. Some people will use mustard powder, etc. Again, it's kind of your taste, this is just the way we like it. Herb wise, we've got some dried parsley today because I don't have any fresh at the moment. So about a tablespoon of that, maybe slightly less if it's dried. We've got a tablespoon of fresh thyme. We've got out of our garden, which I've picked all the leaves off and chopped up a little bit. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, what I've got to do is just mix that a little bit more just to get rid of that, so I can get all the flavour of the stock in. So that's that little bit of extra stock in there, literally just to get rid of the stuff for the cube. Now we just need a little bit of butter. I'll put that down somewhere. There we go. A few knobs of butter on the top, just to help it cook. Just add a little bit more flavour depth again. And we're there. Put them on high for 5 hours minimum. Put it on low for, well, 6 to 8, but we're going to go 8. Okay, we like our stuff a little bit softer than some. So, if you like what we do, please subscribe. Make comments. Tell us if you like corned beef hash. How do you like your hash? Do you like it kind of chunky? Do you like it kind of mushy? I know some people like kind of mushy. I used to do that with my mum. Everything was kind of mushy. Lovely though. What do you serve yours with? We might do ours with baked beans. We might do ours with tinned peas maybe. You can even have a little bit of red cabbage or something on the side. I mean, whatever is your taste. But it's going to be a lovely, lovely dinner. Lovely and filling. Pretty economical, even though corned beef has gone up in price over the years. Get rid of your old veg. Use your store covered ingredients up sometimes, yeah? So, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Come and see us all very soon here on Big OGGIE World. We'll take some photos at the end, show you what ours looks like. Bye everybody.